Manifold Absolute Pressure, or MAP data, is a must for tuning any combustion engine, unless you have that mechanical sixth sense for tuning, which Red does not. MAP data is especially handy if running an engine modified from stock or running boost. Red's old 12A isn't running diddly squat, but for tuning carburetors, the MAP data gives us a more accurate log calculation, making it highly beneficial for dialing in the ignition timing, along with a nice baseline for the overall health of the engine by simply measuring the vacuum strength of the rotors or pistons, fighting for more air while the intake butterflies deny it access. On full throttle, we should see the pressure equalize to the standard atmosphere pressure. On a boosted intake, the MAP sensor monitors the positive pressure and raises the alarm if it is seeing more than its set threshold. The original 12A MAP sensor has 4 wires for operation. The 1984 unit, supplied to Mazda from Mitsubishi, may I add, requires 12 volts to operate, along with 5 volts of signal power to measure with, a signal wire, and an earth wire. This more modern Volkswagen 1.5 bar unit also has 4 wires, but only uses the 5-volt wire to both power the unit and have enough signal voltage to boot. It is also referred to as a T-MAP sensor, as the 4th wire runs a built-in thermometer to log the air temps inside the manifold as well as pressure. So la-dee-da, now we have all the sensors and no excuses to get to tuning. Patching the MAP sensor into the Haltech IC7 is easy as pie. And I am not talking about pi, the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter, 3.14159. No, I am talking about pie, that you put fruit or pumpkin in, or as the Kiwis add, meat. Talking about blowing on a hot pie, the anti-icing setup from our last post is showing up in the data. We can see that is feeding hot air on warm-up and closing when reaching full operating temperature. Hopefully you learned something useful about manifold absolute pressure. In short, healthy engines should draw a steady vacuum, and for naturally aspirated vehicles, wide open throttle should equal out to normal atmospheric pressure. Anyway, as you were, the end.